Yeah. He says, well, you might need to get to the across the street today. I said, no, I'm not doing that, sir. What? I said, I'm not doing that. I don't know why you would fucking do that. There's no fucking power steering in the fucking thing. I'm going to run this way. Come in this way, didn't I? You shouldn't have fucking... Oh my god. How are you doing? Does they say what that street is, didn't it? Come on, for fuck's sake. Bubbles. It might be advisable to tell him to come and get his fucking car. Look at the size of these fucking holes. The fuck. I mean, the size of these fucking... You fucking putting me on. I need to get to that side because I think it goes that way if I remember correctly. Yeah, don't let me hear your fucking ass fucking holes. Come on, fucking asshole. This car's safe to drive on the highway. Alright. You should wear a mate Mac close to it, Rocky Lord Arcano Ashes. I'm because I would park in an city. Your car out and waiting in with yours is. That was easy enough to find. You know what I mean? Easy how you run up this fucking ass. What? It's not turning that way, my god. Cleaning fucking nothing, washing nothing. This is a fucking pile of shite. Tell look in front of that bastard. So, you know fine well she fucking ran into somebody. Look at her. Oh, it's a him. Mishmish. Tell you what, this shouldn't even get washed. Fucking vacuum, it's a fucking pile. No gate brakes. Well, complete idea. That's all you've got. Oh, ho, ho, ho. It's 45, I'm doing 60, so... Yeah, you fucking ass whitey. Yeah, fuck you, you git. Fucking prick. Budget wild blinds. This cocksucker's doing a U-turn. Eh? That car should never be picked up. Really. Oh. Come on. Campus. I said, you need pipe? Well, I'm not sure. I said, I'm not walking away out there. I said, you pull your car out and I'll put mine in where yours is. Oh, that's a good idea.
Okay, sorry buddy. Oh yeah, we got the tractor knob. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, we got the good old tractor knob. Turns like shit though. Bro, it's got a tractor knob. It's got a tractor knob. Oh my god, this thing sounds like it wants to die. Good enough. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ah, fuck.
76 trombones left to hit parade, with 110 clarinet still behind. Check engine lights, and I don't know if it was on. I don't know if that check engine light was on. What did you do to that car? With 110 clarinets left behind. You've got a pile of shit, so you're gonna have to I'd known that was that bad, my friend, I wouldn't have fucking driven this car, really. Yeah. If I had known this was that fucking bad, I wouldn't have drove this car, really. Yep. You're a fucking moron. Fucking asswipe. Fucking moron. Oh, what's in the speed zone? How in the fuck? If I'd known this car was that bad, I wouldn't have came and gone it. Really? Yeah. Tyrod ends fucking bad. The tyres are fucking bad. I should not have picked this car up. Fucking ass with them. Meds, get her meds. Maya. Yeah, looks like you're going to sell a new set of fucking tyres. Anywhere for me to go, so pay attention, asshole. Come on, fucking asshole. Fucking, yeah. Look at this cocksucker, he doesn't know where he's fucking going. He doesn't have a fucking clue. Diesel. Give us some diesel. These cunts just come fucking when they don't care. I'll just try and get in the other way. Bastard. I'll get in there, it should be in there somewhere. Because I might not get going left it in there. You know what I mean? Well, I can't go fucking in there, can I? Fuck me. Yeah, fucking pile of fucking shite me god. Well, let's try. We'll try. We'll go in here. She took the camera. Then the sidewalks, it's a goddamn fucking fucking pile of fucking shit, isn't it?